Hi friends, this is Momita. So today we are going to see the syllabus of paper code 55. Okay. So the subject is labor welfare, personal management, industry relation, labor and social welfare, human resource management. Okay. So unit 1 is principle and practice of management. So in this video I am also going to tell you which topic will be more important and which topic you should need to give focus to get JRF. Okay. So apart from this, unit 2 is human resource management. Okay. So like this part, unit 3 will be human resource development, international human resource management, and like organization behavior is there, industrial relation is there, industrial dispute is there on 6, and labor legislation. Yes, so labor legislation is very important topic. Like from here you can get around like 70 to 75% of questions from labor legislation and this acts of wages, right? And apart from this, like industrial dispute act, in industrial dispute, it is in unit 6, right? So this industrial employment standing order, this is also very important. So you guys need to remember or focus on this, like unit 6, unit 7, and unit 8. Okay, so this part is very important. And more specifically, like if I going to say, like nowadays question paper has totally changed. So they are basically asking question from this, like child labor in labor legislation, like child labor act 1986, building and construction worker act 1996. As I have already taken classes on building and other construction act 1996, I have completed this topic. It is a very important nowadays. Many questions are asking from this topic. And apart from this, contract labor act 1970, and interstate migrant workmen act 1979, and mines act 1952. So this like 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, this 5 topic is very important. They're asking question nowadays from this topic specifically. And you can go through my like classes I have given on building and other construction worker act 1996. I have given all the details and what type of question can be asked, so you can go through this. I will provide the link on I button. Apart from this, industrial employment standing order act, this is also important, and industrial dispute act is a very important act again, right? So you can go through this also. And there's some acts in wages which is very short, you can complete in one day. So if you want a class on this, you can also comment, so you can go through this also. So minimum wage act 1948, you can complete this on one day. Payment of wage act 1936, bonus act, the equal remuneration act, equal payment of gratuity act, employee provident fund and miscellaneous act 1952 is a little bit bigger compared to all this, but this is also important, provident fund. So basically you need to you can complete this short act first. After that you can move to this provident fund. So these acts are also very important, as I already told you. Apart from that, you can go to this yeah, international human resource management. From there also some important topics came out, so it is also important. Okay, like cross cultural, who has given that, and this type of question can be asked. If you want a class on this, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, and principle and practice of management, from this also like behavior approach, system approach, tailor scientific management, and from this also you can get lot of questions. So this unit is also very important. I have already provided class on this topic, you can go through this. I have completed around one more class I need to take. I am going to take like 100 question series, MCQs rather. In that I fully describe this unit, and you do not need to go through any other. Like if you do that 100 question, you will be complete the entire unit 1. Okay, okay, this is some important topic I need to tell to you. Okay, So you can go through this industry relation also. Specifically in this, Trade Union Act 1926 is very important. Okay, so go through this. This is also important. Yeah, so I already told you, like, yeah, there are certain like measures are there in labor welfare. There are certain like there are also some important topics on labor welfare. So you need to go through that also. But specifically, these acts are very important. As I told you, 70 to 75% of questions come from this. So basically focus on this at first. Okay, and even Trade Union Act 1926. Okay, that's all.